Hello, in today's video I will tell you using PDO check email ID already exists or not in database. And those of you who have not seen this video using PHP check email ID already exists or not in database, please watch this video once. Okay, and I will share the link of this particular video in the description box of this video. Okay, and please don't skip the video, please continue and watch till end. I will share many things with you in the video. Let's start. Right hand side the registration form or only form, and this is my database, and left hand side the editor. Now start the code. First we write the establish database connection, and for those who don't understand how to make a database connection using PDO method, I will tell them to click on the eye icon to see how to make a database connection using PDO method. Please see this video how to connect to MySQL database using PDO in PHP. First, handle form submission. If $_server request method three time equal to post dollar name equal to underscore post and pass the name, this input type name, and copy this line and paste, replace name with email. Okay, now check if email ID already exists in the database, then print email already exists in the database, else insert new user data into the database. Check if email already exists in the database. $SQL equal to select count first bracket star from my table name. My table name is login, where email equal to colon email. $stmt equal to $PDO hyphen prepare $SQL $stmt bind param first bracket colon email comma dollar email comma PDO double colon pass the param underscore str dollar stmt execute dollar count equal to dollar stmt fetch column if dollar count greater than 0 echo email already exist in the database. Else insert new user data into the database. Dollar SQL equal to insert into my table name is login and column is name and email. Values pass colon name comma colon email. Dollar stmt equal to dollar video comma greater than prepare pass dollar SQL. Okay, copy these two lines and paste here and pass name and email. Name the name. Execute and echo registration successful. Save and reload the web page. And admin@gmail.com, this email already exists in the database and I will input this email first. Devjit and admin@gmail.com and register. Email already exists in the database. and now input fresh email ID, though email ID not exist in the database. smita@gmail.com and register. Registration successful. Go to database and reload the database. smita@gmail.com. Okay, name not saved. Okay, here is a name, not a username. Save, reload, face 14, send. @gmail.com and register and reload 14 send and 14@gmail.com. Now check 14 mail, reload the page and register. Email ID already exists in the database. This way, using PDO method, check email ID already exists or not in the database. Thank you.